Should you use Advantage Plus audience or open targeting in your Facebook ads? Hi, my name is Regitze from British Marketing Agency. So Facebook is rolling out more and more that they want to take over the whole entire targeting, meaning that they're taking away targeting options, so we can't choose some interest groups anymore. And it's also working really well. Their algorithm is becoming really, really good. But if you have a brand new account, a brand new Facebook ad account, and you never ran ads before, or you ran very little ads on that account, then Advantage Plus audience is the best, because when you're running ads, then Facebook is learning what kind of clients or prospects that is good for your business. But when you never ran ads before, or just very little, then it doesn't know who to find for you. So with Advantage Plus audience, then you're giving Facebook some directions. You're giving it an interest group that it can then go to and find your clients. But you're still giving it permission to find clients or customers outside of that group. You can also turn it off so it doesn't find clients outside of that group. But with Advantage Plus audience, then you're giving it permission to find clients outside of that group, and that is working better actually. And then when you ran ads for a while, then your account has some learning behind it. Facebook's algorithm now knows who is your client, who are you looking for, and then you can move into open targeting, where you don't give Facebook any direction, but it has this knowledge from previous ads that you ran, and it's then very good at finding your clients anyway. So I hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you like it. Subscribe for more. Share it with someone who could find it useful also. And if you want to work with us, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants, established coaches and consultants. Right now we have an offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client. We won't have this offer for long, so if you want to hear more about it, then book a call with me. There's a link in the description to book a call. Also join our free Facebook group. There's a link in the description where we post lots of free content. You can ask me for any questions that you have, and there's other advertisers that post in there too. So go ahead and join that. And also we have some free downloads. There's a Facebook ad template for coaches and consultants in the description, and we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. Go ahead and download that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.